Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10, exercise 1.5, problem number 6. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve x square plus y square equal 25xy. Then prove that 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is, if log x plus y by 3 equal 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Exercise 1.5, problem number 6. If log x plus y whole by 3 equal 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So here this one we are taking log x plus y by 3 equal 1 by 2 log x plus log y we are taking. We are finding the value of x by y plus y by x value we can find. Let us start our solution. So in the problem, what they given, log x plus y by 3 equal 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, it is given. So we need to find x by y plus y by x value we need to find. So given one you have to take, given log x plus y by 3 equal 1 by 2 of log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. Just in this bracket one, once you have to observe here, it is of the form log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Means which property we have to use here? That is product rule we need to use. So what is the product rule? Log xy to the base a equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. So means here log x to the base a plus log y to the base a model it is there. We need to write log xy type we need to write. So log x plus y by 3 equal 1 by 2 of log xy. Log xy. Again here it is of the form m log x. So what is the property of m log x? Log x power m. So log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. M log x to the base a. Now log left side one as it is only x plus y by 3 equal log xy whole power 1 by 2. Xy whole power 1 by 2. Both sides we need to cancel the log. So we are cancelling the log. What it is remained? X plus y by 3 equal xy whole power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 nothing but root xy. So x plus y by 3 equal root xy we can write. Root of xy. This 3 also you have to transpose. So we are transposing means x plus y equal 3 into root xy. 3 into root xy. Now we need to take the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. BS means both sides. So now we can take x plus y whole square equal 3 into root of xy whole square. So it is of the form x plus y whole square. Expand that. So x square plus y square plus 2xy equal, here for example root AB. Root AB means, AB whole square. AB whole square means how we have to write it? A square into B square type we can write or not? Means here also you can write 3 whole square root xy whole square type we can write it. 3 whole square, and here I written individually, I written 3 square and root xy whole square. So here root square get cancelled. X square plus y square plus 2xy equal, here 3 square. 3 square means 9. Here square root cancel means what is remained? That one. Xy is remained, that one only we written. This 2xy you can transpose to right. X square plus y square equal 9xy minus plus becomes minus 2xy. So 9xy minus 2xy. What is the value? 7xy. Very good. So x square plus y square equal 7xy. This xy we need to transpose to left. What we need to find? X by y plus y by x value we need. So that's why this one xy I am transposing to left. Means x square plus y square by xy equals 7. Now you can write individually x square by xy plus y square by xy equals 7. Here x square in 1x and x cancel. Y square in 1y, here y cancel. So what is remained here? Here remained one are x by y plus y by x equal, right sir, what we got here? 7 we got it. So x by y plus y by x value we got 7. What we took here? Given one log x plus 3, log x plus y by 3 equal 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, it is given. From there too we got x by y plus y by x value we got 7. If you have any clarification on this topic, do comment in the comment box. We have seen how to solve log x plus y by 3 equal 1 by 2 of log x plus log y. Then find the value of x by y plus y by x. In the next video, we will see another problem of different type. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.